So the main living area will extend to this marker here.
Yes, that aligns with the structural supports we planned. Okay, this is the boundary for the 5 miler plot. Start measuring from that marker.
Confirmed on the tablet.
Reading confirmed, boundary marked.
Check the setback measurement here.
Looks good according to the 5 Marla plot plan.
All right, let's mark the kitchen boundary next. What's the reading on the angle?
3.5 degrees.
All right, adjust the tripod slightly east.
Confirming the setbacks on the west side are correct before we break ground. Confirmed, architect. We are good to proceed.
Little more to the left. All right, hold it there. Start leveling that section. All right, bring the steel over here. Lower it gently. Easy, easy. Is it sitting right? Looks good. Pass me the tying wire. Push it down further on the right. Okay. It's sinking now. Use the mallet. Hold it steady while I tap this side. We need more concrete on this side. Bringing it over. Tamp it down firmly. Keep it coming back. Watch the edge. All right, hold it there. That's perfect. All right, bricks are clear. Let's start spreading the sand over there. I'll get the wheelbarrow, you grab the shovels.
Bring the mortar over here. We need more bricks on this end.
Keep it straight, watch the line. Just a little higher on the left. How about now? Perfect. Hold it steady while I add the mortar.
Okay, push that end up just a little bit. We need it perfectly level before the pour.
All right, keep it coming steady. Watch the lever on this side. Hold it there. Let's smooth this section out.
Keep the pressure steady on the hose. I'm almost finished with this section.
We need the next riser right here. Okay, I'll measure it now. Is that level yet? Almost. Push down on the left side a bit more. All right, bring it back slowly. Watch the corner of the frame. Easy now, lower it right there. Perfect. Steady now, lower it. We'll start the hall layout right here, then the bathroom partition. Okay, I'll mark the line for the hall.
Send up another bucket of mortar.
Coming right up. Okay, bring it in. Watch the wall.
All right, hold it right there. Let me check the level. Just a little more to the right.
Okay, right there.
Yeah, that's level. Hold it steady while I grab the drill.
A little more to the left, right there.
Is this aligned?
Yes, hold it steady while I nail it. The structural integrity looks good on the plans.
Yes. Yes, the rebars are ready for the concrete pour. This section looks good. Confirm the bracing on the far end.
It's secure. We are ready for the pour.
Move the chute to the far section now.
All right, watch out. Coming through. Bring that edge back this way. Okay, got it. All right, that looks good. Bring the hose over here and start spraying the center first.
This connection needs more cement. Pass me the next length of conduit.
Here you go. Make sure it's tight for the fan point. Check the measurement one more time before we secure it.
Looks good. Let's start clipping from the top down.
All right, put the cement on that joint.
Got it. How's the level look here?
Perfect. Get the clamp ready.
The mainline connections look solid here.
Yes, the vertical alignment on the CPVC is correct as well. Looks good. Are the connections secure up top?
Yes, we double checked the water tank connections. We are ready for the next stage.
Level it properly, push it towards the corner.
Is this side okay?
Yes, this side is perfectly.
Easy now, slide it left.
Got it.
Is the hinge lined up?
Almost. Let me get the drill.
Hold the door steady right there. Okay, secure the hinge now. Perfect. Let's check the level. Okay, lower it slowly.
It's seated. I'll get the clips underneath.
All right, let's get this bed frame together first. I'll start unboxing the wardrobe pieces.
Wardrobes are finished. Let's get the sofa set up.
Okay, put the corner piece right here. All right, that's the last piece.
Perfect fit. Let's grab the tools. See how clean this laminate is. No scratches at all.
Impressive quality. It fits the room perfectly. Ready on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Perfect. Now let's adjust these folds evenly.
Welcome home, honey.
It's finally real. I can't believe we're here.
Wow, look how big this room is.
And look at the windows. Look how green it is outside.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
We are finally home.
This sofa is incredibly comfortable.
It really is. I'm so glad we chose this
Look
house.
how bright it is outside.